This is a $50 bill, but what if I could turn it into $2,000 in just 15 minutes? What do you think about this challenge? Let's make it even more interesting. If I fail, I'll cut my hair short like a man's. How does that sound? I'm Evelyn Morgan, a trader with 9 years of experience, and if you follow financial news, you've probably seen me on CNN or Breaking News, where I regularly analyze the financial markets. And maybe you've also heard about my community, one of the fastest growing in the trading world, where more than 21,000 people use my strategies every day. Today, I'm taking on this challenge and using one of my most effective yet incredibly simple trading strategies to achieve these results. I just want to prove that trading doesn't have to be complicated. No complex terminology, no advanced technical analysis. I'm convinced that even beginners can achieve success quickly. I'm not afraid of this challenge because my goal is to show you that you might be overlooking the tools that could be a breakthrough for you. Are you ready to learn how to get results as quickly as possible, even if you've never tried trading before? Then stay focused and watch this video until the end. Before we begin, I have the perfect solution for you. A solution that will fast-track your journey to financial independence, so you don't have to spend 9 years like I did, but instead get results much faster. I created a Telegram community where over 21,000 people receive my trading strategies daily. Members of the community simply copy my live trades. We don't waste time on theory or motivational quotes. We are here for one purpose: results. Now take a look at this dashboard. What do you think? This is how our trading session went yesterday. No complications, perfect for beginners. And right now you have the chance to join this community for free. Pause this video right now, click the link in the description and join my community today. Take action today and start your journey toward real change. Market trends and technology are making financial transformation happen faster than ever. Don't miss this opportunity. I'll see you in Telegram. Let's start now. All right, let's move on to the strategy. I've already set the trade duration to 1 minute. The candlestick time frame will be 30 seconds. We are starting with just 5 to see how far we can go. Adding 6 pairs. And of course, we can't forget about indicators. In today's session, I'll show you how to effectively use two powerful indicators: moving average and RSI. We'll configure them to become our perfect allies in the world of trading. Alright, everything's set. Friends, this strategy is a great way to get familiar with the basics of trading and start making smarter market decisions. Get comfortable and get ready for an exciting ride. Let's go! We are starting with an Australian and a New Zealander. Let's analyze what's happening on the chart. We see that the price has been moving up for a while. This is called an uptrend. But now there is a small pullback. The price has dropped a bit, which is natural correction after a rise. The main question: will this correction end, and will the trend continue upward? Here's what we focus on. First, let's talk about the moving average indicator. This is a line that shows the average price over a specific period. Right now, the price has reached this level, which is a crucial moment. If the trend is strong, the price usually bounces off this line and continues moving upward. The RSI indicator measures the strength of buyers and sellers. At this moment, it is at the level 50, meaning the forces are nearly equal. However, if RSI starts bouncing upward, it indicates that buyers are regaining control. What's my decision? Since the trend remains upward and the price is at a key level, there is a high probability that it will reverse back up. That's why I'm going up. Perfect. Remember, the market always gives us signals, and if you read them correctly, you can spot great entry points. Let's move on. Let's switch. Now, let's check the chart. We see that the price has been declining, but at some point the drop stopped. And now the price is moving sideways. It's not going up or down. This is called a consolidation phase. It often means that the market is gathering strength before making its next move. What should we focus on? Candlesticks. There are long candlesticks with wicks at the bottom. This is an important sign. Buyers are starting to push back, and the moving average indicator signals a continuation of the uptrend. Also, let's not forget about the RSI indicator. It breaks above the 50 level, which further confirms the upward movement. I'm going up. When you analyze the market correctly, the entries become obvious. That's how strong trades work. Not random guesses, but well-calculated moves. Let's keep going. Looking at the next pair, RSI has reached the overbought zone and is starting to decline. That's the first sign that buyers are losing strength and the correction might be coming. Checking the moving average again. The price hit the moving average but couldn't break above it, meaning buyers don't have enough strength to push higher. This is often a sign that a breakout downward is about to happen. Going down. That's why it's so important to watch the overbought and oversold zones. They often give us key indicators. If you catch them at the right time, you can enter confidently. Let's keep moving. Back to an Australian and a Canadian. The situation is once again in our favor. I'm using the same setup that worked well in the first trade. The price has returned to the moving average. We've seen this before. Last time the price bounced up from this level, and now we see the same pattern forming again. RSI confirms the entry. It bounced off the 50 level, meaning the balance is shifting back towards buyers and they're ready to push the market higher. I'm going up with confidence. When the market repeats the same pattern, why not take advantage? If you understand the trends, you can keep finding beneficial opportunities over and over. Not a bad start. What do you think? You're watching this video for a reason. If everything in your life was already perfect, you'd be doing something else right now, wouldn't you? But since you're here, that means you're looking for a way to change things. And that solution is right in front of you. I'm literally handing you a proven system that could be your ticket to a new reality. No vague dreams, no empty words. A clear, structured method that has already proven its effectiveness. But the real question isn't about the method. It's about you. Are you ready for a change? Or will you keep looking for excuses? All you need to do is join my trading community, a place that has become like family to me. In just 3 years, thousands of people here have completely transformed their financial future, and you can become one of them. Every day we host live trading sessions, discuss strategies, and help each other move toward real results. You're either inside with us or you stay exactly where you are. There is no middle ground. The link to join is in the description below this video. Click it and start taking action right now. Time for explanations is over. Access may close at any moment. This is your chance. The only question is, will you take it or not? Once again, we have an Australian and a New Zealander. What do we see here? The RSI was recently in the overbought zone, but now it's confidently moving downward. This indicates that buyers are losing strength. On the chart, we see a bearish engulfing pattern, which often signals a trend reversal. Another factor is that the price isn't just bouncing off, but is actually trying to break below the moving average indicator. This gives us confidence that the downward movement will continue, going down. When you see a pattern plus confirmation from indicators, there should be no doubts. And now we are already at 117, and this is just the warm-up. Let's pick up the pace. On the chart, we clearly see an uptrend. The price is bouncing off the moving average, and RSI is confidently breaking above 50. This one is simple. The trend is strong, the pullback is over, we're going up. Sometimes the simplest trades turn out to be the most rewarding. Here we see a divergence on RSI. The price is making new highs, but the indicator itself isn't rising, staying at the same level. This tells us that buying pressure is fading, and the uptrend might be coming to an end. We also see consolidation. The price is no longer moving up as aggressively. After breaking the moving average, I'm also going down. And now we are already at 430. I hope you remember where we started. Let's check on an Australian and an American. The price is following the classic pattern: impulse, correction, impulse. Right now we're in a correction phase, but the market is slowing down near a resistance level. The price touched the moving average and bounced downward, while RSI is also retesting 50. If it fails to break above this level, the downtrend will continue. I'm expecting a new downward impulse and a break of the moving average, so I'm going down. We are making spot-on decisions here. Let's take a couple more trades, and remember, in our business, don't let greed take over. If you start feeling tired, it's always better to stop. Switched pairs and analyzing the chart carefully. After an uptrend, the price is reversing. We see a trend break and a return to a key level. Right now, it's in retest mode, followed by a downward bounce. A perfect entry point. I don't even know. Is there anything left to explain? I think you can see everything for yourself. We are already at 1,584. Let's wrap it up with one last trade. We'll finish with this pair. The price is range bound, but there is a clear support level where buyers consistently step in. The trend is still bullish, and it's obvious that sellers can't push the price lower. After the breakout above the moving average and a successful retest, I'm going up. This is the perfect way to end the session. 3,041. How is that for a result? Satisfied? You saw it yourself. The strategy worked, but now the real question is, what are you gonna do about it? Let's be honest. Trading is not luck. Either you have a proven strategy or you keep losing savings, thinking you'll somehow figure it out in your own. Now ask yourself, do you have a plan? Do you have a structured system? Or are you still placing trades randomly, hoping the market magically aligns with your expectations? I never make decisions based on my emotions. I have a system and it works. Every day, 2 live trading sessions. Every trade carefully, calculated and planned. Every entry point based on logic, not guesswork. And the greatest part, you can use this system with me. You either keep trading blindly or you start following my lead and learning to see the market the way I do. You can close this video right now and tell yourself, I'll think about it. But be honest with yourself, what will actually change if you do that? Or you can simply click the link below this video, join my Telegram trading community, and start trading using the same system as me and thousands of other traders. I'm waiting for you in the community. And don't forget, trading involves risks. There are no guarantees, but knowledge, training, and proven strategies will always be your perfect tools. See you soon!